At number 4, we have the LawnMaster 20VMWGT. The LawnMaster mower stands out for its efficient cutting and trimming capabilities. This 24-volt max combo kit includes a 13-inch lawnmower and a 10-inch grass trimmer, both powered by the same battery system, which simplifies maintenance and storage. The mower operates at a speed of 3,700 RPM, ensuring clean cuts, and the trimmer at 9,200 revolutions per minute, which is effective for precise edging and trimming. The mower features 5 adjustable cutting heights, which is versatile for different lawn preferences. Both tools have foldable handles, enhancing portability and storage convenience. The design is compact, making it ideal for small to medium-sized yards. Durability is supported by the rust-resistant deck on the mower. Overall, this combo kit offers a practical solution for routine lawn care, emphasizing ease of use and efficient performance.